The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has released the examination schedule for Class 10 and 12 board exams, setting a new precedent by releasing the date sheet approximately 86 days before the first examination. The board's comprehensive schedule, effective from February 15, 2025, demonstrates strategic planning to support student preparation and minimize academic disruptions. Key highlights are major innovations in this year's examination planning include strategic scheduling to prevent exam clashes across 40,000 potential subject combinations, examinations strategically timed at 10:30 a.m. to optimize student performance. Early release, it enables students to manage examination anxiety and enhance preparation strategies. Moreover, strategic considerations for CBSE meticulously crafted the date sheet considering multiple factors, providing adequate intervals between subject examinations, aligning exam dates to accommodate entrance examination preparations, ensuring continuous academic engagement for non-board classes.